process of taking down is sure a messy job. These are only 2 of the bins I have. I've already taken 2 or 3 upstairs. Got this mess in the floor. The mail looks like a hot mess. And talk about dust. Oh my word. This is a mess. Good morning, friends. I thought I'd show you a little peek at the disaster. I took a little clip the other day of taking my fall stuff down, but now I'm bringing out my Christmas stuff. Don't know exactly where I'm putting everything. So I'm just pulling it down and staring at it. This is a mess. One hot mess. Mess over here, mess over here. I'm just placing things where I think they might go, and then I'll have to figure it out. So this is real life. This is what it really happens here. This is really bad. Look at this. I was going to show you a craft today, but I couldn't get in here to do a craft. I've got Christmas stuff pulled out. There's fall stuff there. Hey, I even have fall stuff stuffed in the bathroom. This is bad. I've got to get into that closet, go into that cubby, and pull out. Most of that stuff is the outside stuff, but I think I must have some things in there that I didn't realize I had, because I can't find some stuff. That's why I've been rummaging through all these bins. And I'm out of breath, I'm sorry, old age. But I'm just not finding what I was looking for. I was looking for 2 pictures of my boys when they were with Santa Claus. They were in white frames, and I cannot find them anywhere. They've got to be here. So anyway, if you don't see me much this week, this is because I am in the disaster zone. I need some yellow construction tape or caution tape or something, because we got some mess going on here. I find them in the very last box I looked. I'm so glad I found them. I was so upset to think that I misplaced them. This is when they went to see, oh, you see my reflection and I look terrible. Santa Claus in Richmond, Virginia, the real Santa Claus. The real Santa Claus. Let me just keep saying that. Ben was, gosh, he was probably about 17 months there. And Matt was 3. And he was in love with Santa. Isn't he handsome? Secondhand Tracy Ann went to his school up in, I believe it was in Minnesota, to learn how to be a Mrs. Claus. He's gorgeous. I'm so glad I found him. Found some other pictures, a lot of stuff. I labeled these boxes, but obviously not well enough. So here we go. There's another box. So my plan is to kind of go through these boxes. What I'm not going to use, I'm not taking down. Most likely they're going to go to Goodwill, or I'll see if my sister wants to recycle a few things, but I doubt it because she has plenty of her own stuff. And then I'll start putting the stuff up. I'll start with a plan. Talk to you later. I was looking for those pictures. I wanted them up here on the shelf. And then these plates are Royal Copenhagen Christmas plates, and I collected them. I used to collect them. Glitter. I'm telling you, I'm already hating it. Anyway, I used to collect them, got a whole box of them, so I plopped a few there. And then these are, that's my son Ben's baby cup. That's my husband's baby cup. And you can tell it's old because it's a lot heavier than they make them now. And this is Matt's. And then this is cool. Let me show you this. My mother-in-law gave my husband this. It's his baby cup, but it looks like a chalice. So I'm like, did you drink wine when you were a little kid? Like, did you go to church and take communion out of this cup? I don't know. It's weird. Never seen one like that. So I'll figure something to do with it. But anyway, that's why I had the mad search for the pictures and why everything is upside down, because I was frantic that I couldn't find them. So let me get back to work. I'll keep you posted. Hey, it's Susan here, back with you. I had not intended to do my mantle today. No, I had not. In fact, I wasn't going to do it till next week. But when you live in a little space like I do with not a lot of storage, you have to pull out, like I had to pull out the fall, the Christmas was behind it, take the fall down. Well, the fall, I can't put the fall in until I get the Christmas out. So it's like a Jenga block, you know, one thing leads to another, and if you don't do it right, it all falls apart. So the biggest thing, the biggest decorating thing I have is my mantle. And so I thought, well, if I go ahead and get my mantle up, then everything else, I can go through the boxes, sort out what I'm going to use and not use, get rid of what I'm not going to use, and go from there. So I have not done my mantle like this since I've lived here. These are Santas that I've collected throughout the years from, mostly my husband bought them for me. Every year I used to get one for Christmas. So what I did is I had that Walmart garland that I got this year, the mixed green, which I really do like it. And I put it over top, or kind of laid it beside just a regular green garland. It had lights on it. And then I added lights to the mixed green garland. And I've been kind of working with it, pulling the pieces out. I've added some eucalyptus in there. And now, let's see, I don't know if you can see. Let me turn the camera a little bit so you can see my bows. I added a bow here, and a bow over there. So now I'm working with, I'm just going to use 2 ribbons. There are 3 ribbons in my bow, but I think if I do these 2 ribbons, if I did 3, it would be too much. So now I'm just cutting pieces and weaving the ribbon, just little pieces in and out of the garland. So I did want to show you that. I've done this, I haven't done the buffalo check over top of it, but I just kind of weave it and twist it underneath a branch, and then I'm going to keep on going. So I did want to tell you about that. I know you think I'm crazy. It's not even Halloween and I'm doing this. I won't turn the lights on at night until after Halloween. I don't want the crazy squad to come arrest me because, you know, I might get arrested for being crazy. So what I do is I just pull off, this is just some, it's a velvety ribbon. There you go. And I just pull off a chunk. I have no way, I don't know, I don't measure it. I just cut and go. So I'm doing the red first, and then land it here, and then I'm going to pick up and go probably to here, and then all the way down, and then I'll go back over it. This is the piece I cut. I'll go back over it with the buffalo check. And I saw this. This is certainly not anything I thought of because, you know, I don't have original idea in my head. But I don't know if y'all watch this lady. She lives in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And her name is Jennifer Decorates, I think, or Decorate with Jennifer. Not sure. I think it's Jennifer Decorates. She owns a business. Beautiful, beautiful decorating style. And I watched how she did a mantle, and this was the way she did it. She just cut off pieces and wove them in. And she uses some beautiful ribbon. She gets it from her store. She has connections or vendors. She can really order some pretty ribbon. Just absolutely exquisite ribbon. But anyway, I'm just going to weave it in and out like this. And you know, I don't know if you can see me, I will, whoops, sorry about my hand, fiddle with it. I want to get the red in first, and let me take this out. This is just one of those clip-in glitter lamb's ear. I'll put that back after I get the ribbon on. I'm telling you, I'm already over the glitter. Over it, but you gotta have it. What's Christmas without glitter? I worked in preschool for 20 years. Glitter, you see it, you have glitter at Christmas and you see it on the floor all the way to Easter. But anyway, we got it. So anyway, back to the ribbon. So I'm just kind of tucking it and wrapping a branch around it. In the middle, I have these smaller Santas, and I don't want to hide them. Whoops. But anyway, I just wanted to give you the idea of what I'm doing, how I'm doing the ribbon. And when I finish, I'll take the camera down and show you, because it takes me so long. I've been working on this all morning, and it is 2 o'clock. I probably won't finish till 4. So I just wanted to show you what I was doing, and please don't think I'm crazy, because it's not November 1st yet. But in order to get this mess down from my upstairs, put up, and so I can put it away and get up there. I have some crafts I want to do for Christmas and show you. I gotta make some order of it in this small space. So thank you. I'll get back with you after I get the ribbon up. Okay? See you in a minute. Okay, I thought I'd show you what I've done. I'm going to start on this side. I brought it down, and then I carried it up. There's the bow. I just wove it around. I am not real happy with this spot right here. I've got to work with that. That pine cone is, I love the pine cone there, but I'm having to work around it. So I'm going to have to fiddle with that. But you know, this is a process. I fiddle with it for like a week, and then I come around. I'm very happy with the way this looks. And then it comes up, and then there's the bow, and then it comes down that way. So I still have to put in a few more embellishments. I have to put back in these sparkly lamb's ear clips, and maybe a little more eucalyptus. But I definitely have to work with this. I don't know. It's not flowing right for me, but I'm tired and I've got to rest. So I think that'll do it for now. And eventually, after I fiddle with it, you'll see the completed project somewhere along the way between now and Christmas. But thanks for watching and seeing how I fiddled with this and played with it. It's not an exact science. In fact, this little eucalyptus is laying out here. It's about ready to fall. It's just you play with it until you feel, that's you, that it looks right. So let me keep fiddling, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. I fiddled with it, and I think I have it the way I want it. Goes here, and I put one of those clip-ons. I put a piece of eucalyptus. I raised this Santa Claus up on one of those spools that ribbon came on. Because see, these guys, I have them raised up. These guys are really little. Actually, this is a candle. I've had him for years and years. I would never burn him. My friend gave it to me. And I think he's so glitzy. He's real glitzy. And I don't even remember. My sister may have given me that one. I don't know. That one's a Jim Shores. That's a Buyer's Choice. That one my husband ordered me. This one my husband ordered me. And that one. And this one a friend painted. And she passed away of breast cancer, so it's very special to me. But anyway, and I put the clips back on, and the clips kind of keep the ribbon right where I want it. Put a clip there. There's another one somewhere, I don't know where. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and probably upload this video just so you can see what I've been up to this week, because the week has not gone the way I had planned. I originally was gonna do a DIY Christmas sign with you, and I just didn't have room to work upstairs, so we'll do that hopefully next week.